Let's see it. We're over here fucking with Colt's truck. Oh yeah, empty.
Hillbilly patch job, check it.
Okay.
Pretty good, eh?
Yep, bed over there. Okay, okay. Could use some tires.
No. Brand new one right there. $25, motherfucker.
Hell yeah. Tank just sitting on the green.
Yeah. Had to.
I do like the blue interior.
All right, check it out, folks. The 351 up in this slut here. And she's rowdy. Let's see if it's got any juice. See what she's got. Okay, got some juice. See the clock on her? Yes, sir. Almost 300 on that bitch. There she is. There she fucking is. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's missing a little bit of fuel. Yeah, I took the rear tank out. I gotta figure that shit out. Let's give it a couple braps cold. Yep. Probably should have checked the oil. Fuck it.
Well, that's how it feels to drive a Ford F-250.
She runs good. Motherfucker's been sitting for about 2 months, I tell you that. Fired right up. The battery's weak. That's how it's cranked a while. Brand new slider up in her. Yes, sir. That's her. Well, you see, door's got a little issue. We got her patched up here. Daddy welded to this side. Pretty good. Not bad. Should hold for a while. Hopefully. Little cancer though. Ain't nothing but a thing. Check this son of a bitch out here. Not in bad shape, 300 beans, except somebody threw an old greasy fucking Christmas tree in it. Fucking dicks. One little cancer spot on it. Not terrible. Sitting fat on 35's home. Come on back. What do you think, Grease Monster?
Like this video and comment if you think Colt needs his own channel.
True that. We'll get some good Ford braps going.
Yo, turn it up a little bit and pop the trunk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's in.
Alright, turn it down.
Stupid. Like,
Yes, sir.
fucking loud, bro.
It sounds good.
It feels crazy when you stand out of it. Like,
Hooked up the system. What we got going on?
See, this thing's had a problem very long time. Big issue. EEC relay's been fucked on her for a long time. It would lose connection, and every other time when I would park it and shut it off, I would have to fucking get out, jimmy jag this fucking fuse around, fuck with it till it fucking, I heard bzzz, and fucking you hear the fuel going to the fucking rails. So what I did, instead of fucking around with that every time, is now got her hardwired in our ground here, hooked it to the ground of the fucking fuse box. So now she should be fucking meant fire up every time.
Straight to it.
So if you're 94 3.0 Rangers ever fucking around with this relay, and it's a big pain in the fucking ass to rewire it. So just fucking get your old little piece of wire, stripped in, stick it down in there, put your fuse on top, self-tapper that son of a whore, and you're good. Simple as that. On a mint again.
Alright, now what I want to do is you start it and let's hear that L7 Slim hit for a couple seconds.
Alright. Watch it not start.
Mint.
I think, you know. Alright, don't mind the door speakers, they're fine.
Hooked this old unit to the code reader last night, said misfire in cylinder 4, and we know that it consumes oil more than usual. So we popped off, you know, the little plastic cover, and the first thing we notice is that there's little puddles of oil where it's not supposed to be.
Yeah, check that out.
What's that mean?
I think this cap was loose because it's shiny from here and then down in there. I think
No
somebody
wonder
left.
we're fucking losing oil.
Well, new spark plugs and oil packs are in. He just started it, and it still had a little shake to her. So I think he's gonna go
says misfire.
erase the codes. Check the oil, oil looks fine. So this is what we did with this. Weird idle. He unplugged the cam position sensor while it was sitting here idling, and it didn't skip a beat at all, which it really should. So that's one of the things that could cause the code that came up. So he went and got a new cam position sensor, and we just installed that, and yeah, that's what we are.
About to try.
Yeah.
See if we're doing anything different.
What is that?
Slightly tapping the throttle.
This is one of the units we gotta do today. We probably would have been on it and maybe even almost finished by now, but we're waiting on Cecil. Drop parts off. It's his sister's car. Somebody hit her while she was parked out front of her house, bro. That fucked up. We gotta fix that bumper back there. We gotta fix this bumper here, and that headlight's destroyed, so she bought both. We're gonna replace both for her. And also this fender. If Cecil's got it, we're gonna do this fender too.
You're replacing it, aren't you?
Yep.
Right in his eye.
Right in my cheese.
You are cheesy. Just like your jokes.
One difference we've noticed so far is that's got fog lights in it.
All we gotta do.
It looks like we strip cars for fun in this motherfucker. No, we don't run a chop shop. This fender is about to come off too. Bumper's already gone over there. And then we gotta do the rear bumper. Rear bumper about to come off too. Rear bumper off just like that. What do you say? We've probably been working on this thing for an hour and a half now? Yeah, probably not even. Got one fender replaced. One headlight in. The other headlight and this bumper can go on, and the back bumper will go on, and we're ripping through it.
Yeah, that's why.
Me and David already figured it out.
Well, look, let's push this up. You get what I'm saying? Push this up some so it holds it better.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Alright, let's get it. Alright, wait, the foam thing came off too.
Okay. Oh, shit, come on.
It needs painted anyway, that's not a problem.
This shit ain't lining up.
You gotta go underneath that clip. What's yours on your clip? I'm a fucking $900 job right there,
The clip is broken. The screw's not going to tighten.
The thing for the clip here is folded down, but so it's not going to line up exactly correctly.
Broken off.
Yeah.
There's this much of a clip busted off, so you ain't gonna get that to fit no better than that. And it's got wrinkles right there, but it's in better shape than the other bumper was.
Yep. That's exactly what Cecil said.
It sure looked better, look. I mean, it's got road rash straight through it. Look at this, boys. Oh Oh my lord. They had to jump something.
Did you see this one over here?
Yeah, I seen that where fuck carriage boat car or something.
Still need to put the little plastic clips in and stuff. But a whole lot better than what it was before. Oh yeah. Let's go around to the back. Oh yeah. By the way, that's just some sticker shit. Used, you know what I mean? Used cheap parts. She probably got $500-600 into the whole job. Parts and all. Not bad. Fuck me, boys. Well, Mom's driveway, we could see that our parts shed isn't doing so well. There's our parts shed. She's a little fucked, boys. Let's go see what was in it. Oh yeah. Shit's just laying around and shit. It's fucked up, dude. Really fucked up, dude. Look, that thing still in its spot. Dude, this is fucked. Yep. I'm at least gonna move this transmission. Doors, fuck it. Body panels, fuck it. Drive shaft. The good part's taped up, so fuck it. I don't know. This is fucked up, dude. Really fucked up.